Hello! Today I am going to look at how to improve the design of the DuoCards mobile language learning app. I use this app myself and I like it in terms of functionality, but in terms of design, I would like to improve it. I want to look at not only UI design, but also UX. Let's start with the bottom of this app. At the bottom we see two rows, the button menu plus buttons about it plus drop-down list with cards. It looks cluttered. Also, its button menu is pretty empty. According to material design rules, we can place 5 sections in the button menu. So let's do it. I moved the side buttons that were in the circle to the button menu. What happened to the drop-down list with cards? We'll come back to it later. From the UX design point of view, we have enlarged the button menu and now the options in the circle are easily accessible in any section of the mobile app. In addition, I tried to improve UI design by making inactive menu functions more relaxed. Now let's move to the top part. In terms of UX, I like almost everything about the top part, except for this icon with a palette. It took me a while to realize the asterisk means a premium service. Premium has to be very eye-catching. It has to irritate the user if we want to sell them something. So I would make this icon more visible, filled with color. And also to make it flicker, there should be some kind of animation. A simple JSON animation that will be constantly attract attention. The buttons on the right side can be made calmer. This is how I think the top menu should look like. The next 3 blocks with the statistical data. In general, the whole screen is filled with colors, and the accents are lost on what is important and what is not. I would combine these 3 blocks together into one, because they have the same meaning, and add title My Progress. And here I would place a link to the top-down list, which I would separate into a separate section. Okay, now we'll come to the central part, Memo's Habitat. Does this part motivate me to study? No, it doesn't. It changes only at the beginning, when the new things are added to the map, and then the things just change a color. It's boring. I think the DuoCard team should think hard how they can improve the motivation aspect of learning. Just sit down and brainstorm and make a decision. It could be a book with the stories about Memo. It could be puzzles that would have a time limit. I choose the idea of puzzles just as an opinion. In the free versions, a user can earn a maximum 30 fires. So, one piece of the puzzle can cost the same amount. If I want to open the whole image faster, I have to either learn every day or buy the premium version to be able to earn more fires. And finally, the Start button. Actually, you can name this button something more motivating, like to new knowledge. But okay, let's just leave it as a start. From the point of view of UI design, it is not recommended to make such rough, dark shadows. It's better to make them softer and match the background. Something like this. So today we look at how we can to improve the design of DuoCards mobile app from a UX and UI design perspective. If you want to improve your design, send me your image or a Figma link and wait for a short video in the Instagram feed and YouTube channel shaola.design. See you soon!